before you cut it, you have to fold it. Like this. And then next you got to cut it. And make sure you're in the line. You don't want to get messed, don't you? Two pieces. Next you there. And you get one piece, then fold it into a triangle like a cake. So let's close it because the time is running out. Now, let you cut it. I'm done cutting it. Now you open it. Then make this line straight like that. Then you fold like that. Make sure it's right in the line. But it's not gonna pass the lines, okay? So once you're done with that, I'm not talking too loud. Because what if I keep on shouting? Then my dad will wake up. How to close the camera. So guys, now that it's gold, you're gonna open it, then make a straight line, then fold. Guys, now that it's gold, you open it, then you push these straight lines like this. Don't forget to ask a grown-up for help. To the other side, so let's do it. So guys, now that I fold two of them, now it's like that. Boop, boop, boop. So now it's like that. You put a point here, like this, wherever angle you want. Follow the straight line and make a diamond. Straight like this. Make sure that it's very straight, but for those only learners, they're just trying. You have to try hard until you got the thing that I make. Yeah. Okay, I snapped my fingers and I put it here. So next, you put it upside down and you get this. Then you do not fold it, okay? Then leave a little bit of space. Then once you left all the bit of this space, now you carefully do this. You carefully fold it like this. So we'll wait until the better ones. Put that there. So yeah, guys, this is the reveal of my origami butterfly. I hope. Let's snap, and so you can see my face. 3, 2, 1. So yeah, guys, I snapped my finger and finally see my face. And this is the reveal, but I think something's still wrong. Just wrong. but yeah, I think it's work. So if you like this, you get a big thumbs up. Yeah. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. And smash the like button. So bye. What are you waiting there, Hacks? Go on and subscribe. Now click here. I already Wait, here. That's not. So bye. Meow. Guys, this is my origami butterfly. It's finished already because our school is already done. I hope you like it. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye.